Well, hello again, all my fluid art friends. It's Doris at DF Designs. I am going to do another album today because I'm going to be giving away 5 of them, so I want to give you more than 5 to pick from if you're a winner. Okay, this is the one I did yesterday. I think, I'm trying to make sure there's no glare, I think it turned out really, really cool. Okay, let me put you over there. Anyway, today I am going to be doing the same colors I did in that elegant painting, but I was very upset because of a black background. You couldn't see the turquoise, so I'm going to do it on a white background. I'm using as my base coat, I'm using the Rust-Oleum Stops Rust Protective Enamel. It's an oil-based paint, and I'm using the gloss white. And then the colors that I'm using is Color Obsession's Dark Turquoise, which is what I used in the other one, but it kind of got lost in the black, so I'm just trying to do it. Okay, I don't have a lot because I'm trying to judge to see how much I need for each album. Wait a minute, just a little bit more, there we go. And then I'm going to be using the Coral Orange by Color Obsession. I get all of my Color Obsession tints from Artist Till Death's website, not their Amazon shop, their website. And these are so pretty together that I figure I'm going to try it again on a white background just to see how much of the color you see. And for my gold, I'm using, of all things, Mayron body powder. I love using this. It is it's so pretty, and a little goes a long way, so you got to be very, very careful how much you put in there, and you also got to be careful how much you put on the piece. Still got my contest going on. Share one of my videos publicly on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, because I'm only on those, and share it publicly on there with the hashtag DFD500, and then I will be checking it every day and writing down the names, and then your names, all the names will go into a bowl, probably because I don't have a hat, and I will be drawing a name out of there on Tuesday night, which is May 7th. On during my live, I'll be drawing 5 names, is what I mean to say. Okay, I got a lot of it stuck to the stick, so when you have that, you know, because you used your stick to mix it up, you want to scrape it off, and then of course, because it's stuck there at the top now, you want to scrape it down into the resin. Okay, and then this is my Coral Orange. Getting the majority of the pigment that's still on the stick off of it. I love this color. And then of course here is my Mayron Gold. I have an alcohol rag next to me. It was so funny. Yesterday I went to go buy another bag of those t-shirts that I could cut up. They were out of them. They told me to check back late on Monday. So I got just a couple of left. So I got the alcohol rag over here. Okay, and I'm not going to be using my heat gun because this is a vinyl record album. I painted it white, prepped it on the back. I've got a video on how I prep them because I don't think you need a lot of tape. You just need the tape on the edge and everything. So anyway, I'm putting down my base coat of white. I got about maybe 2.5 ounces of resin. I only mixed up 6. And of course I'm using Stone Coat Countertops art resin. I swear by that stuff. And I'm hoping that I don't have enough left to do coasters. I mean, if I got a little bit of left, it will go into into some shot glasses. Okay, now I'm just going to heat it up just a little bit. You don't want to point it for too long. You always want to point it away too. I don't know if you can see me doing that. From your piece for about 5 seconds. Get the dust out of it. I'm just heating it up just to get rid of the air bubbles and to get it a little bit more liquid. And then you want to push it up to the edge, but not over the edge. Well, you try not to go over the edge. It's not going to be a big loss if it goes over the edge, because it will later on anyway, you know, if you tilt it. And I don't know if I'm going to be tilting or not, because I do want to do just a couple of swipes with some negative space around it. And then of course I'm going to accent it with the gold, because I love the Mayron gold. It seems to float on the top. It doesn't sink. Okay, so we'll see what the Mayron gold does on the white. And I also won't be using a lot of heat because I don't want to warp the record album. So don't forget now, May 7th, during my live, I'm going to be drawing 5 names for 5 different clocks. This could be, if you're picked, you could win this one. So get out there, share my videos. Just make sure you do it publicly, and you put the hashtag in your post, DFD 500, with the little hashtag symbol before it. Okay. Now I'm getting it just at the edge. Okay. I see a couple bubbles, so let me just go over it real quick. Okay, now I don't want to do a lot of color because I want to be able to swipe it. So, let me think here. Now I'm going to have some color left for shot glasses, that's for sure. I have no white left, so I don't know if I want to do coasters or not. Okay, let me heat this up just a little bit and heat up the resin in front of it because I want to do some swipes. Okay, there we go. Swipey papers, which I better cut some more. Okay, I want to do smaller swipes. So I tore the paper in half. You want to get about a pencil width of your paper in the color. And you don't want to go fast. And you want to just drag the color over the white. Okay. Let's see. You want to go slow. Don't want to push it down too far. You want it just to go over the white. Okay. Let me just do a swipe this way now. When I put the heat back on it, you will see the cells, hopefully. Okay, let's put it that way. Hopefully. Okay. You also don't want to use the same edge too many times because you don't want to get it contaminated with the other colors. Okay. One thing I want to do is I do want to drag out this orange a little bit. And I want to do just a little bit here to kind of fill in that spot. Okay, now let's give it some heat and see what kind of a cells we get. Now I'm not using the heat gun, and I'm trying not to give it too much heat. Well, I'm getting some cells, not many. Yeah, not many. Okay, I do want to put some little gold stripes on here. This is more of a brownish gold to me compared to some of the bright ones that I use. Okay, I ran out. Figures. There we go. I'm just kind of trying to follow the natural shape of it. Okay. Oh, just got a drop where I didn't want it, but that's okay, because I will now connect this line, and then I will connect that dot. Haha! Connect the dots. Isn't that fun? Okay. Because I can't use a lot of heat on it, and my torch is running out, so I'm going to have to use this real quick. So you let it blow for 5 seconds, get rid of your dust boogers. I don't want to warp it. Even though I'm not going to play it on a record player anymore, I still don't want to warp it. Well, that's about all she wrote on this one, I'm going to say. Trying to get some of it to come over the edge a little bit over here because I'm missing some. There we go. So, I hope you enjoyed this little short video. I know it wasn't that short, but shorter than most of mine, okay? I will admit that. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to enter by sharing one of my videos in a with the hashtag DFD500 with the little hashtag symbol in front of it. Thank you for joining me today to watch me create another record album. I hope that I see you in the next video, and I love the resin right out of you guys. I appreciate all the views, the thumbs up, all the support. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.